we got eggs. Yep, we got eggs, guys. Super excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and let this female lay the rest. We got like one slug I could see. The rest look pretty fertile. All right, cool. All right, leave you alone, girl. Yep, here we go. Okay, here we go. No, I'm just kidding. Oh God, I can't even get behind it. Oh my God, we're gonna put this one in the video. I can't even. This is like Austin Powers. Doesn't tip over whatsoever. Let me make sure she's not gonna bite.
Okay, Mama, you did a good job. Scary.
Scary about the slugs. So this is called the boob egg right here. You wanna come look?
Why is it called a boob egg?
You could tell it.
Oh, it's not good.
So this is called the boob. No, this is fine. This is still kind of gonna be fertile. This one's not gonna be good. I'm gonna see. So just go like this.
Oh, they're soft. They don't harden ever, huh? Not like any other eggs.
They do in a day. Not as hard, but there's 2 infertiles. So let me see. Let's count. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 infertiles. That would have been 11. That's pretty good. So that's 2 infertiles. So it's 9 total eggs. That's good. That's great. Okay, we'll separate this one here.
You can't leave them stuck together?
No. Ooh.
Why do they stick together like that?
It's like a glue it's like an adhesive thing. Okay, we'll go to orientation. Orientation's that way. We'll keep these separated.